this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render golf balls. When we model ball objects, we usually use UV spheres. But this time we'll need an icosphere. Subdivide it 4 times. We can manually select verts like this and dissolve the vertices, but that will take too long. I'll show you an easier way. Select similar by amount of adjacent faces. Dissolve the vertices. Select this vert and do the same thing. Do a limited dissolve. Then we can add a subsurf modifier. But there's one more thing we need. The dimples. Select all faces and press I as in India twice to extrude inward. After that, extrude along normals like this. If we add a subsurf modifier now, it will look like a golf ball. Add a reflective material. This is optional, but we can add a decal on the ball. I made this simple text by using an external image application. You can use any images. We need to make sure we're adding enough subdivisions before applying the shrink-wrap modifier toward the sphere. However, you'll notice the decal won't go well. We need a new smooth sphere to decal. Please remember to add a subsurf modifier before applying the decal. We can add a new color for the ball like this. Let's duplicate the ball and apply different colors. Please remember to press this number button to separate the material for each mesh. Let's add a depth of field. Create a ground plane and turn it into a light bouncing wall. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI file. This is the end of the golf balls tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.